Hey guys, welcome to our July 2022 dividend portfolio update. This month, we kicked things into overdrive. We spent 3 times more money on stock for this month than we did in June. And it actually looks like it was perfect timing because the market skyrocketed in July, and we saw some big gains in our portfolio. Let's jump right in to see how much our dividend portfolio has changed in the last month. On this channel, I talk about all things finance, wealth building, and how you can achieve the life of your dreams through financial independence. If you want to join me on this journey to financial independence, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, we're going to start things off with the stock purchases for the month. All the purchases in this account are pretty much automated. I have my lump sum of cash that I keep in the account and top off as necessary. This account is set to purchase $75 of QYLD and $75 of RYLD every single day. So it automatically invests $750 per week on its own, and I manually purchase extra shares on red days if there is enough of a price drop. Starting things off on the purchase list is RYLD. This month we spent $1,775.65 to purchase 85 shares of RYLD, bringing the total number of shares in the portfolio up to 843. I am getting close to my first 1,000 shares of RYLD, and if the market takes a tumble in August, maybe I will invest a large sum to bring the total past 1,000 shares. Next up, we have QYLD. I saw an opportunity to purchase a large number of shares early in July to bring us to 1,000 shares, so I just pulled the trigger. This, plus the automatic investments, means we spent $2,658.16 on 149 shares of QYLD, bringing the total number of shares in the portfolio up to 1,048. The first 1,000 shares is a great milestone for us, and our goal right now is 5,000 shares, so we're 20% of the way there. Besides those purchases, we have some very nice dividend reinvestments as well. First, we have reinvestments from DIV and Horizon Technologies, which allowed them to purchase 2 more shares each for themselves. After that, we had our big dividend payouts from Global X. RYLD was able to purchase 10 more shares for itself, bringing the total in the portfolio up to 853, and QYLD was able to purchase 8 more shares for itself, pushing the total shares in portfolio up to 1,056. So for this month, I spent $4,433.81 on stock, which is much more in line with my usual monthly investments of the past. I think the overall market is in a weird place right now, and I personally believe it's setting up a bull trap and will sink to new lows over the next few months. Overall, I usually have a bearish outlook on the market anyways, but only time will tell, and I will just continue to invest regularly. Alright, so now that you saw my purchases for the month, we can go check out the portfolio stats. We had a major boost to the market and our stats went through the roof. First, look at the portfolio's value change. I have not deposited any money into this account for 4 months now, so we are still burning through a large cash reserve we built up during the end of last year. One thing to note that the portfolio value shown here represents stocks only. Cash balance is not included in this total. Our dividend portfolio's value skyrocketed from $115,000 last month to $128,494 this month, which is an increase of $13,493. I did invest over $4,000 into stocks this month, but this is still an incredible jump, a very big difference from the value drops that we have been experiencing over the course of this year. Below that, we can see our portfolio's dividend yield also experienced a very large increase of nearly 0.5% from 5.58% last month to 6.05% this month. The goal of this portfolio is to achieve an 8 to 10% dividend yield, and we're getting very close to that number. At our current rate of growth, we should reach the 8% dividend yield by December of this year. And lastly, let's look at our annual dividend income, which increased from $6,419 last month to an incredible $7,772 this month, which is an increase of $1,353 annually. I will note that this value is based on current stock prices, so it can fluctuate a bit. but the range of $7,700 annually seems about right since our monthly dividends fluctuate between $500 to $800 per month. We are closing in on our goal of $12,000 in annual dividend income. I do not think we will reach that goal by the end of this year, but I am sure we will reach it by early 2023. $1,000 in monthly passive income has been my long-term goal, and now that it's so close, it just seems unreal. This dividend snowball is really starting to pick up speed, and I am excited for the future. Okay guys, let's finish this update by taking a look at our portfolio over the last few months. First, on the left chart, you guys can see our dividend portfolio value has finally reached a new high of $128,000. This dividend portfolio peaked at about $120,000 back in March of this year, and has pretty much headed down from there. But the market had a major rebound in July, and we were able to break into new highs. I am hoping this trend can continue, but I am a bit doubtful. Moving on to the chart in the middle, we can see our monthly dividend payouts over time. The last few months have been quite unstable and fluctuates between $500 to $800 per month, but the stable average seems to be about $500 per month, which means we are halfway to our goal of $1,000 a month in dividends. It's kind of crazy that less than 12 months ago this portfolio was generating less than $100 a month in dividends, and now we're earning more than 5 times that amount. This really shows that if you work hard towards your goal, you can accomplish anything that you want. And in the last chart to the right, we can see a wonderful uptrend in our total annual dividend income. We stalled a bit between May to June, but July came back with a vengeance and skyrocketed. If stocks continue on this road of recovery, then all the investment we put in this whole year during the market sell-off will compound like crazy. So that's it for this month's dividend portfolio update. I am very happy with our portfolio's growth this month, and it's a great boost to our motivation. It's also a reminder that no matter what happens in the market, if we just stay the course, our hard work will pay off. Thanks for checking out the video, and if you enjoyed it, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. I hope you guys had a great month in the markets as well, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.